Music. Need a quick cash advance? Let's talk about the Brigit app. Full disclosure, links are in the description. Brigit isn't your typical personal loan. It's a financial app offering up to $250, no credit check required. Perfect for those small emergencies or avoiding overdraft fees. Instead of interest, Brigit has a $9.99 monthly subscription for cash advances and financial tools. Just link your bank account, and Brigit analyzes your income. Get your cash instantly with an express fee, or within 1 to 2 business days with standard delivery. No credit score needed. But that $250 limit might not cover bigger expenses. Brigit also offers budgeting tools, credit building loans, and even identity theft protection. Their Credit Builder loan reports payments to credit bureaus, boosting your credit score. It's like a savings plan, not upfront cash. Brigit's ideal for managing cash flow and avoiding overdrafts or payday loans. But that monthly fee can accumulate if you rarely use the advances. Customer support's available via email, but responses might be slower than traditional lenders. Brigit's great for small financial gaps, overdraft avoidance, and credit building. It's not a replacement for larger loans, and the subscription might not be for everyone. Need fast cash without a credit check? If you can manage the monthly fee, Brigit could be a good fit. Check the description for more details.